What is up, Flomies? I'm Julianna, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the above the head pass off. The above the head pass off is a great way to incorporate directional flow and continuous flow into your flow. And so to start, you have to know how to do a reverse figure eight and a forward figure eight. The reverse figure eight and the forward figure eight you can find linked above. And to start, we're just gonna do a reverse figure eight, and then I'm gonna have my hand open up here. And so when I pass it off, my hand is gonna be facing my other palm. So one palm is gonna be facing the other palm. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When you pass it off, you want the Flowstar to be up. So the pass off is happening at the bottom of the Flowstar. So again, watch. Up high, and then you're gonna go low. Reverse it on this side just to practice. So from the right to the left, we're doing a reverse figure eight into the forward figure eight. This is when you combine this movement with the behind the back pass off, then you can learn how to do the orbit, which is a really fun way to incorporate directional flow. This movement is also great because you don't only have to do it above your head at all times. You can kind of switch it to this side or to this side. But as long as your palms are facing each other, you can keep that movement going at all times. And that is how you do the above the head pass off. If you like today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for more. Happy flowing.